Hello students, today we'll study an important topic that is about intelligence. So we'll see what is intelligence. Intelligence is something that we learn, alright? Like suppose we are in a classroom or anywhere, we learn something and acquire it. We gain that knowledge and we take it to our brains. Then we retain it, we keep it for a long time or a short time. That depends on our brain and how we use it. And then after retaining it, how we use that knowledge. After learning in after learning we see lot of problems. Okay, so how we use that knowledge and recognize or know our problems, and then we solve that problem. All right, like for example, if you all will see small kids. All right, small kids, something which is totally new for them. First they will touch something. When you'll say no, don't touch it like that, don't touch this, don't do that, they'll touch it, they'll acquire that, they will use that, then they'll keep that thing that our teacher or our parents said not to do like that. Then they'll use that knowledge, and then where they'll use it, like for example, when they are touching some sharp things like knives and all, they'll remember not to touch that knife, and this is how they'll solve the problem. Is it clear? So intelligence is something that keeps on going and going and going. It is a continuous process and it keeps on going. It is never ending process. So we'll come to the first theorist, that is Alfred Binet, who brought unifactor theory. The first person who brought intelligence theory, which is the meaning that it's a unifactor theory. That means it is a one factor theory. There is only one factor. So what did Alfred Binet say in this unifactor theory? That this intelligence that we find is a kind of activeness. All right, like for example, if you all will see in earlier times, our parents used to say that the children who are really active, all right, they'll be active in sports, they'll be active in cooking, they'll be active in everything, literally everything. So they associated that activeness with intelligence. And what did this Alfred Binet say? That this activeness includes all inborn, all round activities, activeness, and literally everything that we find around. Like, suppose if a person is good in studies, then that person will be good in other things, reading, playing. And he also said that this intelligence at first was associated with mental efficiency. Obviously, it's a kind of what do you call that? In our parents see people or students or anyone who has taken maths or who is good in mathematics or mental ability, the parents assume, or like anybody assumes, that they'll be better in each and every subject. Like for example, if teacher is good in maths, students assume or parents assume that that teacher will be good in English literature, that teacher will be good in Hindi literature. But I'll give you an example that teachers who are good in English, they're not good in Hindi. So likewise it happens. So kind of they thought that everything is related to mental efficiency. Thank you. I hope you all understood. Take care and be happy.